When all components are dry, reassemble your mask ready for use. Reassembling the Mirage effects is very easy, but if you are ever unsure, you can refer to your user guide for step-by-step instructions. Firstly, ensure the cushion is oriented correctly by aligning the top cushion tab with the recess in the top of the mask. Gently pull the cushion through the front of the mask frame until the cushion locks securely into place. The tabs on either side of the cushion should be sitting against the mask frame. Ensure the cushion is not twisted or distorted. Next, attach the top headgear straps to the frame by looping onto each of the upper headgear hooks, like this. Replace the elbow by pressing the side tabs and pushing into the mask. Your mask is now fully reassembled and ready for your next night of restful sleep.